Hey everybody, this is April Monique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I am going to tell you all the 10 benefits of tea tree oil. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Right before we get into the 10 benefits of tea tree oil, which I will be putting on 10 different slides in this video, I would like to inform you all a little bit on what tea tree oil is. Tea tree oil is an essential oil. Tea tree oil comes from the leaves of the tea tree, and I will insert the name of the tea tree here on the screen. Now, this tea tree is to not be confused with the tea tree plant, which is the plant that is used to make black tea, green tea, and oolong tea. You can use tea tree oil by itself. However, it is highly recommended that you dilute tea tree oil in a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil, or at least diluted in water. I would highly recommend that before you use tea tree oil to test a small patch of tea tree oil on your skin first. And in order to dilute your tea tree oil, you want to use 1 or 2 drops of tea tree oil to 12 drops of your carrier oil or 12 drops of water. Let me let you all know, not all tea tree oils smell the same, and not all tea tree oils smell the best. Now, I have came across some tea tree oils in the past that just have not smelled to my liking. However, I have found a tea tree oil on Amazon, which is the Handcraft Blends tea tree oil, that smells very pleasant, very refreshing. I could put this on my body and not put on perfume or anything and just leave the house and just feel confident going around people without being worried about the smell that tea tree oil can sometimes leave behind. This particular tea tree oil smells really good, really refreshing. It's normally about $15 on Amazon. If you're interested, I will leave a link for it down below in the description box. And if you are worried about purchasing a tea tree oil that may not smell to your liking, remember, if you mix it with a carrier oil that has a pretty good scent, that carrier oil will help dilute the smell of that tea tree oil.
Benefit 1 of tea tree oil is tea tree oil heals scalp irritations such as dandruff, lice, and ringworm. Benefit 2 of tea tree oil is tea tree oil heals skin irritations such as psoriasis, dry skin, eczema, itchy skin, oily skin, and inflammation. Benefit 3 of tea tree oil is that due to its antibacterial properties, tea tree oil can be used as a natural disinfectant. It is chemical free and it is safe to use in the home. I will leave a recipe down below in the description box giving instructions on how you can use tea tree oil as a natural disinfectant. Benefit 4 of tea tree oil is that due to its antibacterial and antiviral properties, tea tree oil can be used as a hand sanitizer. Benefit 5 of tea tree oil is tea tree oil will treat coughs and colds via inhalation. Please never ingest tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is not safe to ingest. However, it is very safe to inhale. You could put a little tea tree oil on a towel, a handkerchief, or simply smell it straight from the bottle. It will help open up your airways and your throat in the event you have a cough or a cold. Benefit 6 of tea tree oil is tea tree oil can be used as an insect repellent. Benefit 7 of tea tree oil is tea tree oil contains no chemicals and it is safe to use as a natural deodorant. Benefit 8 of tea tree oil is that tea tree oil heals wounds. Tea tree oil is a wound antiseptic, which means it will help clean your wounds. You can also put tea tree oil on your bandage before covering your wound up. I would highly suggest that you dilute your tea tree oil with water or with an oil, and that tea tree oil could possibly cause a little bit of burning sensation to your wounds if you use it by itself. Benefit 9 of tea tree oil is that tea tree oil can treat acne.
I would like to share with you all that I have suffered with acne back when I was in middle school and high school. Now that I am an adult, it is not as bad. However, I still suffer with the scarring, and I do get pimples here and there. And again, I suffer with the scarring from those pimples. Now, to help clear up those pimples, I have been using tea tree oil. Tea tree oil dries those bumps up. I could put tea tree oil on a pimple early in the morning, and by the nighttime, the pimple has decreased almost 100% in size, at least by 50%. By the next day, at the latest by the next day, the pimple is gone. So a quick trick for me to get my pimples to decrease and go all the way away is tea tree oil. So I would recommend that you all do use tea tree oil for your acne. And you don't have to dilute it, but I would recommend that you dilute it with either water or with a carrier oil.
Benefit 10 of tea tree oil is that due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, tea tree oil can be used to prevent and kill nail and foot fungus.
Thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. If you're brand new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back for another video. I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye.